Hi there, my name is Dan, founder of Arts Rescue Mission. We're here to talk about our Shelter the Art program, and the first thing we do, we document the art and collectibles.
Andy Warhol. The title is Red Liz. The date is 1973. It's a silk screen on BFK paper, and it's 40 by 32 inches. That's the first one. Only 99 more to do today.
I've got it. Artist, title, date, medium, and dimensions.
We put numbered post-its by each collectible, then take a picture. That way we don't get them mixed up in the editing room.
Oh my. Is this a chair with a last name? Part of the collection? It's okay. It's been sat in before. I'll take these numbered notes on each piece home, type up a master list, and then create an Excel file.
I edit in Photoshop and match Nancy's list to the photos, rename each image with artist, title, date, medium, and size, searchable in our client's computer. The photographs are suitable for publication or a coffee table book for the client's home.
I'll take these numbered notes on each piece home, type up a master list, and then create an Excel file. Now let us show you a short music video about what we do when artwork needs to be moved with an experienced team for moving collectibles, furniture, works of art, or your entire household. Let's do it!